First open Start and type Control Panel. Open Program. Open Program and Features. Click on Turn Windows feature on or off. Expand Net Framework. Select the two other option. Press OK. Press Let Windows Update download the files for you. Wait for Net Framework to be installed. It will take few minutes. Now restart and your problem should be fixed. If that didn't work, I will give this link in this video description. Click on Download now. Open this link. Press Accept. Press Upgrade this PC now. Press Next. After downloading, press Install and wait for update to be installed.